In this section, we are going to see how to create identity matrix with np.identity and np.I function. And we are going to learn what are all the differences between np.identity and np.I function in NumPy. So first I will import NumPy as np. Then first we will check np.identity function to create identity matrix. So here I will try to create an identity matrix of shape 5 cross 5. So simply I will write np.identity and I will pass 5 into it. So if I will run this code, then it will create an NumPy 2D array where principal diagonal is 1 and except that all the elements are 0. So now we are going to see np.I function. So here we can see that in np.I function, these are the parameters. So here n is the number of rows, m is the number of columns, and k is the diagonal. So the index of diagonal is 0, which is default. So 0 refers to the main diagonal, a positive value refers to an upper diagonal, and a negative value refers to a lower diagonal. So here I will try to create an identity matrix of shape 6 cross 6. So this is our identity matrix of shape 6 cross 6. Now I'll try to create an identity matrix of shape 3 cross 5 where elements are 1 at diagonal 0. So 3 cross 5 matrix where elements are 1 at diagonal 0. Simply we can write np.I and here we can define n equal to 3, number of rows is 3, number of columns, so m equal to 5, and k value is 0. So if I will run this one, it will create an identity matrix of shape 3 cross 5 where the first diagonal is 1 and except that everything is 0. Similarly, if I want to create an matrix of shape 3 cross 5 where elements are 1 at diagonal 1. So I will copy this code and I'll paste it here and I'll change the k value. So now we can see the difference between this array and this array. So here the diagonal starts from this one, first element, and here the diagonal starts from this second element. So similarly we can create an identity matrix of shape 8 cross 4 where elements are 1 at diagonal -2. So simply we can copy this code, we can paste it here, and here we can change the n value equal to 8, m value equal to 4, and k value is equal to -2. So here we can see this element is 0, diagonal 0, this one is diagonal 1, this one is diagonal 2, this one is diagonal 3, this one is diagonal -1, this one is diagonal -2. So the all elements starting from this diagonal will be 1 and except that everything will be 0. So here we have seen the difference between np.I function and np.identity function. So these are the ways to create identity matrix in NumPy array. So thank you for watching this video.